Welcome to the VISTA Training Jurnee Instructor Kits, where we believe training is not a destination, but a journey. Each Jurnee Instructor Kit contains all of the materials you need to complete an equipment training session. Instructor kits are divided into 4 basic areas: plan, train, practice, and evaluate. Each kit follows this order no matter the equipment type. All materials included will help the instructor to complete the entire training process. To plan for the training session, the kit includes rosters, how to set up the classroom and field areas, hints on how to plan for the training class, and more. To train operators, the kit includes both a training overview and a step-by-step instruction on completing the equipment training. To practice the training, each kit includes hands-on exercises to get the students familiar with the equipment and complete operating tasks. Finally, each kit includes ways to evaluate the operators and assess their ability to actually operate the equipment. Materials included in each kit are access to a projectable VISTA course presentation, access to projectable copies of key instructor materials for classroom or group instruction, and access to instructor and student materials for use throughout the training. Each projectable VISTA equipment course presentation includes a 2 to 4 hour overview of the equipment and instructions on how to conduct basic and sometimes advanced operating tasks. While conducting the training, there are many times when the instructor will have groups of students to train. To assist the instructor in completing this training and getting the class involved, each instructor kit includes the group presentation materials. This would include items such as the course objectives, a discussion guide, and reconnect topics, to name a few. Everything an instructor needs to complete operator training is available to view or print, beginning with the trainer's guide, the main resource for the instructor. Instructors can also print the roster, objectives, discussion guide, reconnect topics, checklists, and evaluation tools. We've even included some materials to assist the student in achieving success in training. These items are available for the instructor to view and print for their students. These items include a complete student guide, course objectives, and checklists with guidelines. As you have seen, each VISTA Jurnee Instructor Kit includes everything you need to complete a well-planned and structured equipment operator training. VISTA makes it easy for you to conduct a professional training session that helps keep your operators safe. Order your kit today and begin training your operators right away.